Because you've been like in VC and were not focusing about crypto much before, but how did you get into this crypto space? And please share a little bit of what is your latest success on this space?
Sure. So, I mean, I bought my first cryptocurrency, I think in 2016. This is right before I left the US for Vietnam.
It was a block. Which one?
It's Bitcoin.
Okay.
It was a basic one.
Yeah.
So I bought the first cryptocurrency for Bitcoin back then, in 2016. And then in 2017, 2018, I was trading a bit more. But after the last crypto winter, which is like the 2018 to 20, like early 2020, then I kind of look away from that. One thing, because I was back then when I was trading, I was just speculating on the growth, on the performance of the tokens, of the coins. But I really didn't see a lot of value. Like, okay, what are the real application here? But then in early 2021, I talked to a few friends, and they were telling me that, hey, there's all these cool things happening in the crypto space now, so maybe you want to take another look. So I looked again. I saw what a lot of people are doing with Ethereum, building on decentralized finance, NFT, non-fungible tokens, so on and so forth, NFT gaming. And I was just like, wow, there's a lot of things happening now. So then I spent the better half of the last 2 years just researching that. Reading, trading, investing a little bit out of my own pocket into a few projects that I like, and I came to the conclusion that okay, this is a good time as ever to get into it.